Welcome. If you want to turn off selfie camera mirror effect on your Wiko Harry, at the first we have to open camera, then change our camera from the rear to the selfie, and right now go for the settings, so slide on the right side, and as you can see here we got the front mirror function, so click here to turn it off. So right now when you take a photo, you can see that mirror effect is turned on, right? So we can delete this picture and go back, open the settings one more time, click to activate, and right now when we take a photo, it's going to look the same like on the preview. And that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.